We got the soul sessions. Soul sessions. We got the soul sessions.
Kia ora, talofa lava, malo lelei, and welcome to Soul Sessions, a show celebrating gospel music in Aotearoa. On today's show, she's a singer-songwriter who's passionate about identity and language reclamation in Aotearoa, a lecturer and te reo Māori teacher. Her musical influences include Aries, Aradna, Arija, Jamwa Jam, and Nesian Mystic. Singing her debut single, which talks of healing in times of grief, here's Jordyn with a Y singing Te Ao Marama.
You're cradled in my open wounds, in the bitter whispers from my womb, in the tears hidden by the night. I gave you all my treasures from the deepest part of me. You're the weakest part of me. Speak into the heart of my belly. How do I let it go? The cry that's hidden in my wisdom teeth. How do I let it go? The truest part of me. Unclench my fists to air these veins that poison might turn red again. Let purpose come to meet this pain. I gave you all my treasures from the deepest part of me. You're the realest part of me. Speak into the heart of my belly. How do I let it go? The cry that's hidden in my wisdom teeth. How do I let it go? Speak into the heart of my belly. How did I let you go? The cry that's hidden in my wisdom teeth. How do I let it go? From the deepest part of me. Speak into the heart of my belly. How do I let it go? The cry that's hidden in my wisdom teeth. How do I let it go? Speak into the heart of my belly. How did I let you go? The cry that's hidden in my wisdom teeth. How do I let it go? From the deepest part of me. You're the weakest part of me. truest part of me. The truest part of me.
Kia ora, Jordyn with a Y. Lovely to have you here. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me here.
Tell us a little bit about your whakapapa.
Yeah, so he uri tēnei no Whaingaroa. On my dad's side, I'm from Whaingaroa, or Raglan, West Coast. And then on my mum's side, my nana is from Muliwhanua Lalovi and Whanelatai. My papa was from Vaimoso.
Beautiful. Māori and Samoan.
Yeah, nice little remix.
You got the soul in there, girl. That song, Te Ao Marama, really, really beautiful and powerful story to share. Can you tell us about it?
Yeah, I think a lot of people can relate to the grief of miscarriage. That's where the song emerged from. But I think a lot of people just relate to grief in general. And writing the song offered a process like to move through the feelings. And I think sometimes we try and avoid it, go over it, under it. But I think the tikanga, the process of writing a song and committing to really unpacking the feelings created something that other people could relate to. And then I found like after my nana passed away last year, the song again found new meaning because it just talks about the space where grief sits, you know, the place that you feel it and the feelings associated with it. So yeah, there's a song.
Do you find as a songwriter that healing is part of what comes out when you're writing your music?
Yeah, it's all of it. It's like healing. Sometimes it's just like revealing stuff that you just didn't even know was sitting there. It's not until you're going through the process of finding words. But it's a beautiful process. I love it.
I also read somewhere that you were talking about this kind of music brings treasures out in your friendships and your whānau.
Totally. Yeah, I'm a big collaborative person. Like I feel like independence is overrated, to be honest. I'm village made, village raised in my family. And it's the same when it comes to songwriting. Like I get to create based on my interactions, my conversations, what I'm learning, the wisdom from everyone who surrounds me. And then I get to bounce off the ideas because, you need people that are straight up with you and be like, that sucks, or that's a great, you're on a good path.
You're a singer-songwriter before a singer, right? So what does that mean for you?
Yeah, I think I'm a storyteller. Like I write songs, I love words, I love weaving them together. And I think I can sing. Sorry, I'm trying not to be like too, because my family will be like, hey, don't say you can't sing. I can sing, but I feel really strong as a songwriter before being like a really technically great singer. Yeah. And what's important to me about a song is the story that I'm telling. Yeah.
And tell me about songwriting and storytelling, waiata anthems.
Yes. Yeah, so I got a cool opportunity this year to work alongside waiata anthems, who really the kaupapa is about celebrating te reo Māori and normalising that all over mainstream music, right? So that the songs that we're hearing, it would be normal to hear that in te reo Māori. So this year I've got a single coming out that's a bilingual tune that will be with waiata anthems. And I got to showcase that at the Aotearoa Māori showcase not too long ago. So it was very cool. I feel so privileged to be in that space.
Have you always sung in the reo?
No, not always. I didn't grow up speaking Māori. So this has just been my journey over the last maybe decade, but especially over the last 5 years of my life. And so it's huge. It's a dream come true to be singing in te reo Māori, to be writing in te reo Māori.
Yeah. And also your Samoan heritage as well. Girlfriend, I'm loving your outfit.
Yeah, this is courtesy of my nana's closet. I just like went through a bunch of her stuff, and she loved, like, if she was ever going out, she loved just putting on like a nice puletasi or she was very particular with the things that she liked. So I feel like she handed that down to me, and I just went free rein and grabbed all of her clothes.
Embodying Nana.
Yeah, exactly. I'm very grateful.
Oh, well, that's awesome. Hey, we're really looking forward to connecting more and hearing some soulful gospel harmonies. We'll catch up with Jordyn with a Y after the break.
Soul Sessions, Soul Sessions.
Welcome back to to Soul Sessions. On the show, we like to hanutu, which means to chat in Rotuman. And with me is Jordyn with a Y, as in, why are you a Y? W-H-I, your stage name.
Yeah.
W-H-Y.
Absolutely. I just, in high school, I was like, yeah, Jordyn with a Y, because I was trying to be different. Because, you know, most Jordans have an A, maybe. But I think just growing up, I've really leaned into my Y as a storyteller. I love to align myself with justice. And so, yeah, my Y is a lot to do with language reclamation. My Y is a lot to do with telling the stories from our own whānau, from our own people. And, yeah, Jordyn with a Y.
Now, you grew up as a PK, preacher's kid.
You know it.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, I feel like if you know, you know, hey, all the pastors' kids. So I grew up in the church. My parents are pastors. Lived in Wellington for a bit where my dad was a youth pastor, and mostly in the Baptist church, and then spent about a decade in Pukekohe in Franklin, where they pastored there as well. But yeah, I feel like that's definitely shaped a lot of who I am, who I am with my siblings. Meant that we did a lot of things together as a family, but it's probably where my love for music and songwriting came from, just doing the Sunday worship.
How has worship really influenced your music?
I think it's really made me believe in the songs that I sing, because my dad was always a worship pastor, really, and and he used to really drill us on, like, meaning what you're singing, because people can always tell, like, if you're singing about love that is life-changing, but your life is not changed and you don't believe it, then why should anyone else believe it? So I think it really helped me to sing from experience, to sing from something that I really believe in, or sing for something that I really actually hope for. So that's really influenced my songwriting, I think.
And with your parents being pastors, you've done a lot of karakia.
Yes.
And I hear you led some karakia at Ihumātao.
Yeah, we were really privileged, I think, to just play a really small part in a wider justice story. And we turned up to Ihumātao like everyone else who turned up there, just to support the kaupapa, to support justice and land back and that kind of kaupapa. But we could really offer from the way that I'd grown up, which was doing karakia, waiata. And so we just committed to going every day at first, and then every week, and contributing in that way, really just helping to sing what we were hoping for into the atmosphere.
Wow.
And I think, it was really beautiful on our part to have been welcomed with open arms from mana whenua there, and to join them in something that we really believed in.
Yeah, and from doing karakia at Ihumātao, you're now lecturing, teaching at a tertiary theological college?
Yeah.
What do you do
now? A little bit of lecturing. So I was teaching a paper called Te Ao Māori, but it was really just talking around, I think, Māori perspectives, I suppose, interacting with theology. And then I'll just teach different modules in different other classes, But it's another interesting space to be in.
Yeah, it must be amazing. And we look forward to hearing more from you about this. And we're going to hear an arrangement now of a beautiful hymn. It's called I Surrender All by Jordyn with a Y.
To Jesus I surrender all, to him I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily. His presence daily live. Oh, to Jesus I surrender, humbly at his feet I bow. Worldly pleasures Jesus, take me now. Take me, Jesus, take me now. I surrender all. I surrender all to Thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender all to Thee, my blessed Savior. I surrender all.
Soul Sessions, Soul Sessions.
Kia ora and welcome back to Soul Sessions. We're here to Hanuchu with upcoming artist Jordyn with a Y, and that was beautiful rendition of I Surrender All. Jordyn, welcome.
Thank you.
Tell me about faith and gospel music in Aotearoa. What does that mean for you?
Yeah, I think it just means writing music that people get to sing collectively about what they believe in and what they believe is happening in our nation.
And for you, are you in that gospel genre, or are you moving it to be in your own space as you release your music?
Yeah, I've been more influenced by gospel music than I have as a song, like been writing gospel music. I think the difference between my songwriting is I haven't written for congregations, right? But I take, I think, the meaning from gospel. Yeah, very influenced by gospel.
Oh, great. Okay, well, we're going to have some quick fire questions now.
Great, I'm ready.
So just say whatever's the first thing that comes into your mind. So bass or drums?
Drums.
Drums. All right. Celebrity animals, do you choose the talking donkey or the fish that swallowed Jonah?
The fish that swallowed Jonah.
Okay. Let's just say you had some miracle powers. Would you turn water into wine or multiply any food?
No, the first one. Water to wine.
Okay. Are you choosing to be as wise as Solomon or as strong as Samson?
Wise. I'm going wisdom.
Wisdom?
Yeah.
Wisdom all the way? Okay. We're going to have a jam session. Are we going to do it with herbs or 660?
Oh, I got to go OGs with the herbs. Yeah.
Okay. Piano or guitar?
Piano.
We're going over whakongai at Nana's. Are you taking chop suey or raw fish? Oka.
Oh, I'm taking the oka because Nana makes the best chop suey.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right. Aside from gospel, are you classical or hard rock?
Probably classical. Probably classical.
Flute or fiddle?
Flute.
Ooh. Are you one that chooses the backing vocals, the BVs, or the choir?
I love me some BVs. I love me some BVs.
Okay, weapon of choice. Are you going to choose a slingshot or donkey's jawbone?
The jawbone.
You never know what can happen with that weapon, right?
I don't know what I'd do with it.
Okay, do you have a favorite Sunday school song?
He's got the whole world in his hands. You know, nice little classic.
Oh, yeah, the whole world in his hands.
I can't remember. Sunday school was so long ago now, I'm too old.
Jordyn, thank you so much for coming on the show today to Kōrero, to Hanuchu. It's been a privilege to have you.
Thanks for having me.
And thank you so much for joining me with Soul Sessions and watching. We're on to our final song, our special gospel duet to perform. It's a soulful one. We're going to do Shackles, Praise You, made famous by Mary Mary and most recently Kobe James and Eva McKinney. Malo lava fafte.
Take the shackles off my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can lift my hands. And I'm gonna praise you. Yeah, I'm gonna praise you.
In the corners of my mind, I just can't seem to find a reason to believe that I can't break free. 'Cause you see, I've been down for so long, feel like my hope is gone. But as I lift my hands, I understand that I should praise you through my circumstance. Take the shackles off my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can't lift my hands. And I'm gonna praise you. Yeah, I'm gonna praise you.
Everything that could go wrong all went wrong at one time. So much pressure fell on me, I thought I was gonna lose my mind. Now I know you wanna see if I will hold on through these trials. But I need you to lift this load, I can't take it no more.
Take the shackles off
my feet so I can dance.
I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can't lift my hands. And I'm gonna praise you. Yeah, I'm gonna praise you. I've been through the fire and the rain,
bound in every kind of way.
God has broken every chain, so let me go right now.
Off my feet so I can dance.
So I can dance.
I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you.
I wanna praise you.
You broke the chains, now I can't lift my hand. And I'm gonna praise you. And I'm gonna praise you. Take the shackles off my feet so I can dance.
I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you.
You broke the chains, now I can lift my hands. And I'm gonna praise you. I'm gonna praise you.
The soul sessions, soul sessions. We got the soul sessions.